Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am going to be checking out another performance of Joseon, and the title for this performance, well, for the song, is Raining All Over the World. Again, I don't know about the title. Not sure if I have heard the song or not. Let's listen to it. Let's figure things out. Maybe figure things out. Well, most importantly thing is we are going to enjoy. Is what we're going to do. I'm so excited. Today has been absolutely great. Let's get started.
从不喜欢下雨天，却喜欢乌云堆积着诸天。当风经过，我能触摸到土壤在沦陷。只有我在泥沼中间，藕断丝连抽不出我的一切，越是胆怯，人越是疯癫。偏偏我总是还执念，无论时过境迁，都和解不了我的从前。就下了密林般的片叶，点缀不是完结最不堪的一面。全世界都在下的雨，淅沥沥，整夜都没停到，好弄丢了你。房间里只剩我委屈，越大越依赖回忆，越大越是好想你的雷鸣，像心碎的声音。
We got sad, then we have things that I kind of feel uplifting, but yet still kind of sad.
说我好想你，滴答滴的频率，清楚的像回音。这城市越是喧闹，心越是安静，就像你越是不声不响，我越是不理。短暂的把你忘记。
It yet still has like that energy of uplifting mood. Thank you. Okay. So for some reason, I cannot recall this song, and I don't know why, but for some reason, the chorus of it sounds so familiar. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what's going on in my brain. Okay. I need to find out if I'm supposed to know this song or not, or what's going on. Okay. So when comes to just the sound, the energy of it, the tune of the song, it feels like it should be very positive. Starting out a little bit kind of slow, but then gets to be more positive. But on the other hand, I also can feel with the title Raining All Over the World. And usually, in general, association with raining is a little bit more on a relaxing, but also like sad kind of a feel, I guess. So I'm really very not 100% sure, but it could be the beginning, them, I don't know, like singing about maybe missing someone because they're no longer there. Maybe somebody left, if it's a relationship, or maybe somebody left if they passed away. And during these rainy days, you have memories. Like these rainy days remind you of the times with this person. But then it feels as, do you remember things that are sad? I don't know. See, it's just kind of all over the place. So I'm not really sure what kind of story. I'm all about always having like these positive stories, positive endings to it, which with the most highest part in these songs, in the song, it feels as things are positive, or they are turning a new leaf in the book and we are moving on and having a great life. But at the same time, I don't know. I'm very not 100% sure on that one. But 100% sure is that I enjoyed every bit of it, just as everybody else did as well, as the audience or those who are on the show. So let me know about the song. Man, there's just so much going on over here. And I just need more information, is all. So thank you guys so much for stopping by, watching, liking, and commenting. Don't forget to subscribe so you know when videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.